the implementation of the Rome General Peace Agreement was incomplete, particularly with regard to the implementation of provisions in those protocols concerning police and state security. There were still doubts about the procedures to implement the agreement fully, but there was also lack of confidence building, so that, let's say, representatives of both signatories of the agreement would work together. Yeah? There were the elections in 94, and there were already doubts whether they were free and fair, etc., etc. Reconciliation as such was not, let's say, a priority of the signatories of the peace agreement, war crimes committed by both parties. So that was passed unanimously and was part of the deal. But that prevented, in a way, transitional justice, yeah, to be approached in whatever way. Reconciliation, in my view, implies two moments. A party is not a homogeneous entity. There are factions, there are maybe regional configurations. And the case you are mentioning shows clearly that these factions are not reconciled. And that applies not only to Renamo. We presently also see in the ruling party, then we cannot really see a full internal reconciliation. And under these conditions, it's also difficult to reconcile with an opposition party. If we look into the past, and especially, let's say, looking at the exclusion of issues of justice, which are very important in a reconciliation process, it would not, in my view, work that we have something like a Truth and Reconciliation Commission. So that leaves the field of reconciliation once again to the community, especially to the faith-based organizations. Basically, what is needed is, let's say, a demilitarization of the mind. Yeah? Recognize that the other is, in the final analysis, from the point of view of reconciliation and peace, is my sister, my brother, and not my enemy.